Because when I'm making a salad, I like to eat it with a spoon. So I basically got the half a pack of this Dole Fresh 50 and 50, and it's baby spinach, baby lettuce, baby green, and some sort of radish in it. And just poured it all in the bowl about this size. And I like to cut it up, gently cut it up, gently grab it and cut it up because I hate to bruise it or anything. And I just kind of flip it around until I can chop it into bite-sized pieces, or what I call pieces that can be scooped up in a spoon. And that's how I like to eat my salads. I don't like forcing lettuce in my mouth. I prefer to eat with the spoon and not with the fork when I'm eating salads. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish cutting this down to bite size or spoon size. And I had the lettuce for a minute, is why I'm going ahead and eating the whole rest of the half of the bag, because I hate wasting food, and it's like lunchtime right now. So as I'm cutting, I'm finding pieces that are kind of on the bad side, so I'm going to go ahead and pick those out and continue to chop. And then I have some cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna just cut some of them in half. Get this little cutting board right here. And I just cut enough to match the amount of lettuce I have, or greens I have. And I have the Monterey Jack cheese, and I had it for a while. I just like the cheese, but I just really wasn't using it like I should. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of that on top of the salad. So far, this is what the salad's looking like. And I'm sprinkle a generous amount on it because I like the cheese. I like cheese on salad. And then I have this zesty Italian salad dressing, and I'm going to use like half of it. I have Caesar croutons, and I also have these. Since I had these longer, I'm going to go ahead and finish them off. I have these croutons too. I think I'm going to use this one today. These have never been opened yet. I like to put the croutons on before I put the salad dressing on. There's only a few more left in the bag, but I don't feel like I'm that into croutons lately. I prefer just eating the regular salad, but I hate wasting, so that's how come I'm going ahead and getting rid of that. So that's what the salad looks like before I toss it up. I forgot about one other ingredient, apple. I'm going to chop up some apple in it also. Because remembered this portion late and I'm ready to eat, I'm just going to go ahead and chop up like this one little slice. And I like these to be really small, bite sizes, like almost thin as the biggest piece of whatever is in the salad. So and then there's my salad. And like I said, I normally get a spoon to eat it with. So the spoon has to be a nice size spoon too. And this one looks like it's good enough. Just showing another meal. Just keeping my life simple and using up stuff that I already have. I've been had the milk in this cereal for a while. And I thought I'd never get to this cereal because I just not a cereal person. Then I decided while I eat breakfast, I'm going to start marinating this chicken for lunch. And I just got this no hormones, no steroids, that chicken sections that I hauled a little while ago. So I'm going to go ahead and put flour and seasoning inside this plastic bag with some chicken, and you can see on the left I've begun frying most of them. And I just got these sunflowers, which are my favorite flowers for Mother's Day. Just thought I'd include them in this clip. And then we have the chicken that's nearly done. I'm not a real good fryer, and I don't really like to fry food, so I don't know how long. I just eyeball it or whatever. But now I just have it sitting on some paper towels, draining the excess oil off, and then that'll be like lunch/dinner. I decided for lunch to take the leftover pork from the crock pot, heat it up in some water, and get some oil going, and made me some pork and cheese tacos. And I have the cranberry juice, grape cran, but I mixed it with a little bit of French vanilla and some ice for a drink. And this is my brunch. Brunch. What am I talking about? Well, I haven't had breakfast, so this is just my lunch. I'm ready to eat.
Point is this: in a cathedral ballpark of penny